Hey! Stop kneeing him in the face! That's his face! Stop it!
Back up or you'll be arrested for impeding. Back up.
I am backing up. It's icy.
Be careful, be careful.
Okay. Where are we going? All right. 3, 2, 1, go.
What's your name? What's your name for your family?
Ricardo